Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up to use the webcam. The first thing you do is go to the first tab here, click Set View Direct, left mouse click on the webcam icon, that brings up the capture program. And I've got a Logitech camera, click Start Now, and then click Keep Alive, Save. The file save, I'm going to turn that on. It's got the default JPEG name. We can put in to save a GIF file. Now this is going to update every minute. We can also change this to like 5 seconds. Now we'll save that. Now in overlay, we can go tick show label and show a timestamp. And here we go. We can also show wind information and temperature. Make sure you click save. Now if we want to add in some custom tags, so we set this to 1. We put in here the custom tag we want to use. So let's find the custom tag. This is from the tags list, which is included in the program. So there's daily rain. Today's rain, we put that in there like that. And we click save. And we put that to 0, click save. Save settings here. Right. Make sure you click enable. Okay, there it is there. Now we want to shift the position of that. Let's put it across to 5 and let's just bring it up slightly. Okay, and we want to put, that's going to be inches, so we'll just put dot inch, dot in, save, put that to 0, save, and final save here. Now that's now created my extra bit of information, a custom tag. We can actually put it on the end here. So go back to 1, and then let's make the left as say 20, make that 30. I'll put it at 40, not quite far enough. And we'll make this top as 5. No, that's about 8. Let's just bring it down a bit. There we go. Save, put it back to 0 now if there's final save. There we go. We can even change the font if we wanted to. That would be this one here. Okay. Now, let's go back into web display here. Now click on this here. And we go to the web files folder. And we can then select the GIF file that's been created. Now, if we want to create an animated GIF, turn that on, tick that, and that will create an animated GIF every minute, animatedwebcam.gif. Okay. Now, that'll take 10 minutes for those files to build up. We can also set to create an all-day video. Now, we want to select the webcam image and the directory. Now, it's got a default there, but we still need to select it. So we go and find the, here it is, that one. Now we want to select the directory the files are going to be saved to, and the timestamp files you can have. Now there's no file there yet because they haven't been saved there yet, so we can go back to that once they start saving. Now this is the source file. Okay, and we can also produce every minute. We want to do it every minute. Now let's just make sure now that some of these files have been updated. So we've got web files folder is the actual JPG webcam. Here we go. That's correct, that's up to date. And we want them in the timestamp folder, so let's wait until the minute update. Now we're going to start to this one here. This is the new webcam image. This is the start of the files created for the animated GIF, there's the next one. It's going to be that in sequence. Now currently the timestamp files are being created in the web files folder. We want them in the timestamps file folder. So now if we put in here timestamp files, click save. So the problem is we've actually got to have a file there in the first place. So what we can do is let's copy across these files that have been created already. Paste. Okay, now we can select the file. Now it's saved that. Right, now we're good to go. So we've got the source file and the timestamps file, all day video. Now we can create last hour, all day, upload last hour, all day. Okay, let's save that. So every minute there's going to be a new timestamp file from the source file. These are the images that are building up for the animated GIF. Once you get up to 8 of those, then the animated GIF will be created properly. I'm just going to pause the video here and we'll wait for those files to build up. Okay, I'm back. Now the other thing I want to show you is the setup to show the webcam as the icon on the main screen. Now unless you want to use the animated one or not, but we'll select the image. So I want to select the timestamp file, we're going to select the original, and that's the JPG webcam, this one. So use the main screen icon and show in the main, and then in the next minute update, that file will show there. Now the other thing we want to look at is that now we've got enough images here in sequence for the animated GIF. This should be now working. Okay, and it's got one more to go. Once they get rid of that last icon in the sequence, then it'll be full size. So that's the next update. Okay, there's a webcam image on the main screen, and now this should be now updated. And that tells a lie. One more to go. There's one more in the sequence. One thing I can do though, we'll wait for that last one, is we can see, make sure that the all day video is going to be created. So let's click on that, and Movie Maker's running. And there we go. It says it's looking for the files, the timestamp files. There's a timestamp, there's the original, and there's the list of the files that you used in the video. And this is the video last date on MP4 and the all day video. So that's all good. If we go to the all day video, we have an MP4. There we go. There's the timestamp looking forward. Now that's MP4, but you could actually have it's a flash or FLV. Okay, now let's have a look at our animated webcam, see if that's up to date. And it's made a lie out of me again. let's wait for one more update and then she should be good. Now I see what's happened. It's now decided to use the JPEG images instead of the GIFs. Okay, so now we need to wait for it to build up to use those. So I'll pause the video. Okay, I'm back, and let's have a look now that animated webcam is now complete. And here's the animation time ticking up. And so that's using a JPEG image, which is actually, I don't know, copy would be nothing wrong with using the JPEG as a source. JPEG is actually better probably than GIF. There's one other thing I wanted to show you, and that's how to set to upload the webcam image. So you choose the file. We're going to find the JPEG, the source file there is there. Add that to the list. Save every 5 minutes. Turn that switch on, and that will be done. Of course, you want to make sure that the main internet switch is on. You can set it on there, or you can set it on there, and you want to put in your server dot whatever and your username and password. Okay, I think that covers it all. Oh, there's one other thing. You can actually set to show the webcam at the mouse cursor position. This one here, see? So that means that, there we go, if I hold down the left mouse button and move it across the graph, I've actually got the webcam image at that time on the graph. So that's pretty cool. That's hold down the left mouse button and move along the graph.